In this demo, let's take a look at torque. It's a little tricky concept because the direction of torque in particular is perhaps something that you don't think about, or maybe it's a bit unexpected. So the way you calculate torque is that you think about where are you trying to rotate about. So if you have a torque wrench like this, you put it on a bolt, and then let's say you're trying to push this way. So the wrench is rotating about this point, and what we'll do is start off with a vector, r. You'll draw a vector from this point to the point where you're applying the force. So r will be from here to there. Once you have your r, you'll look at the direction of the force. So let's say I'm pushing up like that way. So you'll use your right hand, you'll go r cross F, right? And then you'll get your thumb to point towards me. So that's going to be the direction of torque. So let's put this torque wrench on a bolt, and when we do that, and I try to rotate this, what I'm trying to do is push that way. The force is that way. Like I said, the R from the point here of rotation to where the force is, that's your vector R. So R cross F, so you start off with R, cross with F, your thumb points towards me, so that's the direction of torque. So when you torque something like a bolt, that's the direction that you're considering. So if you forget, if you've ever tightened a bolt like this, then you can think about which direction do you have to push to get the bolt to tighten. So in this case, if you're trying to tighten the bolt, then I would put the torque wrench right there and push this way, and then the torque acts towards me. So if you forget, think about tightening a bolt, and then towards that direction is the direction torque that you're applying. It'll be the opposite if you were trying to loosen the bolt, right? So if you want to go the opposite direction, the force would be that way. So if you're using your right hand, you go R cross F, and now the torque points towards you. So then you can think of taking off a bolt, right? So then you'd want the bolt to come towards you, and then that's the same direction as torque. So that's a demonstration of torque.